Welcome to Crazy Thoughts for Creating Amazing Teams. In the next 5 minutes, I'm going to attempt to introduce you to a few crazy thoughts for creating amazing teams. Who here has the time and the energy to spend attending loser office meetings? Just why is it our so-called leaders are attempting to be the team? Do they believe that we're just here to watch them be supermen and superwomen? We really need rescuing from our group task? The superhero complex. Management will save us all. The world cannot survive without management. The team needs to be rescued and refocused. I've got it, boss. I'll straighten them out and get them producing. Next, we would like to look at the creative mindsets in our coworkers that we need to create. They're based on core values and assumptions. The next 5 slides are going to lay out the effectiveness for creating safe team environments. Transparency. When we are transparent, we are willing to share all relevant information, our thoughts about a project, as well as our feelings on how the task should be approached. Curiosity. When we are curious, we truly are interested in the thoughts of others. We are generally interested in where they came up with their thoughts and the information that they have to share and their perspective on the issue. Informed choices. When we use informed choices, we maximize our abilities and the abilities of others in the group to make good decisions with relevant information, with active participation in solid decision-making processes. Accountability. We're accountable to ourselves and others when we take the responsibility for our actions, both short-term and long-term, and we are expected to explain our beliefs, our actions, and our thoughts that we based our assumptions upon. Here's a tough one: compassion. When we act with compassion, we infuse the other core values with the intent of understanding, empathizing with others, and helping others. Core values and the assumptions generate our behaviors. Step 1. State your views and ask genuine questions. Asking genuine questions requires you to want to listen, to understand, and not to respond. Being willing and being able to comfortably and safely express your thoughts and ideas without being judged or mocked. Sharing all relevant information. This practice allows us to share all of our thoughts and ideas in a safe environment, without withholding key information or important data from the rest of our team members. Specific examples. We need to agree upon what important words mean. The working group members need to explore and question each other's meanings when inferences and ambiguous terms are used. What do you mean by that? What does that really mean? Is there more information to be obtained? Explain reasoning and intent. As human beings, we are hardwired to seek meanings in events. Don't overthink it. This is just simple. What was your intent? Why did you ask? Focus on interests and not positions. In our research, we've discovered all the facts. Let's be clear. Let's agree upon the interests of the group as a whole. Let's generate potential solutions as a team and move forward as a group. Testing our assumptions and inferences. We draw all conclusions about things based on our present understandings and previous fact sets. Don't assume. We all know where that's going to go. Not a good place. Test your assumptions, gather the most current facts, and correct the information as you move along. Jointly designing the next steps. Jointly designing the steps as a team allows us to build a consistent, fully vetted, and cohesive product that we all can be proud of. Discuss the undiscussable. If we don't get it taken care of in our team meetings and in the room as we're discovering and designing products, it will come up out in the cube farm. Not a good place for us as managers to be. Okay, for the math majors in the room, here it is. 5 mindset key points. 8 behaviors that we're going to encourage amongst our individuals and our employees for effective and smarter teams and problem-solving groups. Yes, this does work. Once we allow them to be the superheroes of the team, they've done the heavy lifting. All we have to do is listen to understand and not respond. It's not our job to solve all the problems, just to help them get to the answer. In conclusion, the 8 behaviors for smarter teams came from a book in many papers by Roger Schwartz and Associates. More of that could be obtained online at rogersschwartzassociates.com.